VMworld 2019 in San Francisco. And with me here, we have Dejan and Edgar from 8x8. So they're all, 8x8 has been customers of Wavefront for a couple of years, I think, by now. And so thank you so much for the business. Maybe tell us a little bit about what 8x8 is.
Yeah.
Sure. 8x8 is a cloud platform for unified communications. We provide contact center as a service, UC as a service, and video and meetings product. We've been in business now close to 25, 30 years, public for 30 years, roughly 2,000 people and growing like mad. We have been now with Wavefront for 3 years, I think, and incredibly happy.
Okay, alrighty. So definitely want to focus on what those happy parts are. So I understand that you guys are on a multi-cloud journey, moving to things like Kubernetes. And so what made you guys choose Wavefront in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a 2-year journey, and one of the main things we wanted to do was just to really focus on empowering development teams to be able to take more ownership of their metrics, their performance, the quality of service that they provide. So Wavefront has allowed us to just kind of centralize on one single platform, maybe move the teams away from having their own management of that. Right. And be able to give the opportunity for the teams to manage their objectives and their SLAs effectively. So it's been a really good partnership that we've kind of taken over the last couple of years with you guys to enable that to happen.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. And I think one of the unique things is that we have two products actually from the VMware family that you guys are using, and we'll be talking about this time at VMworld, and that's Cloud Health and Wavefront. And so how do you see you guys using both of these products to help you manage your future needs, your future journeys as you expand into more footprints?
Yeah, look, Cloud Health is the way for me to maintain sanity. To give you an idea, after signing up with Cloud Health, we managed to save something close to $1 million over 6 months by using reserved instances. We run in pretty much every cloud known to mankind. We are in AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Business is now pulling us into Asia. We just acquired a company in Singapore in the CPaaS space. So probably Alibaba Cloud, Tencent Cloud are in our future. Having one platform that allows me to see everything across all of that is the key. And that's also where Wavefront comes into play. Having the metrics across all these clouds, all the microservices worldwide is the only way to go. Right? We have all the SLAs instrumented with Wavefront. We have all the platform metrics in there, all the customer journey, everything is monitored through Wavefront. Unless you have this one unified platform for metrics and visibility into what is going on, you will fail.
Sure. So I actually heard you mention SLA and SLOs and SLIs maybe in many contexts. I think this is very unique because a lot of customers think monitoring is about monitoring infrastructure, is about just looking at RAM and networking. So how did you guys, or how did you enforce that culture in the company that this is kind of the way to measure your performance, how teams behave, and that's what dashboards may be capturing?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we basically invested in providing the development teams the ability to stay lightweight in terms of instrumenting their code, but there's been a big focus around having really high instrumentation of the software onto the Wavefront platform. This allows for the teams to have their key indicators pretty clean for them working with the business to identify objectives, and ultimately, as I mentioned, just really empower them to be able to get to addressing their SLAs at a team level. The unified communications platform has different stacks. We have different types of technology. We've been able to allow every single stack to basically instrument with Wavefront and allow the teams to just kind of fend for themselves. So it's been a really good experience working with.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much, and thanks for being on the Wavefront on metrics.